Hello guys, this video tutorial is related to performing the analysis of higher order model. So this is a research model. In this research model you can see that content quality, customer contact quality both are impacting brand learning value and hedonic value, and these two variables are impacting CEB intentions. You can see that CEB intentions have three dimensions: feedback, collaboration and mobilizing. So now you know that CEB intention is a higher order construct. So now you have to perform analysis like this. So this is customer contact quality, this is content quality, this is customer contact quality, brand learning value, hedonic value. Okay, feedback, this is feedback, this is collaboration, and this is mobilizing. So I'm just turning them to right, also this to right and this to right as well. After this, you know that these three variables make CEB intention. So select this latent variable from there and then draw it over here. Now connect this with all three dimensions of your CEB intentions. Okay, after this make the other connections, whatever you have in the model, and this. And this. Now okay, now what you have to do is you have to select all the items of the dimensions and then paste it over this latent variable. So my indicators are the dimensions of CEB are you can see from this model that feedback, collaboration and mobilizing. So what I have to do, I have to select the items of feedback, collaboration and mobilizing and then drag it over this construct. Okay, now rename this. This is CQ, this is CCQ, this is BLV, brand learning value, this is hedonic value, HV, this is CEB intentions, so I'm writing CEB over here. This is feedback, so I'm just writing F. This is collaboration, so I'm just writing C, and this is mobilizing, so I'm just writing M. Alright, after this the process is same. Just click on calculate and then click on PLS algorithm, start calculating. You have to delete the items which have loading below than 7. So here is all values are above 0.7 here as well, but there is BLV, BLV2 and HV5. I'm just deleting both of the items simultaneously. After this you can arrange this downward and just placing it over here so I can see all the values clearly. Similarly here one value is below than 0.7. I'm just deleting this and I'm just adjusting all the constructs at the top like this. Okay, after this you can see that all the values are above 0.7. Here 0.699 is almost equal to 0.7, so I'm just ignoring this value. Now I have to see the values from this. Okay, let's assume that here all the values are above 0.7, but let's assume that f1 value is 0.65. So what you have to do is you have to delete f1 from this and from this as well. Okay, after this you have to just calculate. You just have to see the values of outer loadings from these dimensions, not from this CEB. Alright, if you are deleting any value from this, such as fi5, the value of outer loading is 0.653, so you have to delete fi5 from this and f5 from this as well. Okay, again calculate. Now all the values are above 0.7, all the values are above 0.7, all the values are above 0.7. You do not have to see the values, outer loading values from this CEB. Alright, okay, I'm just hiding all the items from this cell by right clicking over this and hide indicators. And now adjust the model so it looks better. Right click and then align, right. Okay, after this same process, all the outer loadings are above 0.7, no need to see the values from this CEB. Okay, after this you have to see the construct reliability and validity. So you know that CEB is a hierarchy construct, so no need to see the values of CEB from this as well. Composite reliability and AVE, you have to see the values of the dimensions. All the values of the dimensions have met the criteria, so it's fine. Again, from the discriminant validity, you have to ignore this column and this row, and after this you have to check the criteria of Forner-Lacker. Similarly, this is also for CEB. So if you see that, if you will delete this cell CEB and this row CEB, after all this the values are less than 0.9. So this is only the method of performing the algorithm. The rest of the procedures are same. After this you have to save all these values by exporting it, and you have to copy this picture as well. And after this you have to perform blind bootstrapping and blindfolding from the same process which I showed you in the last videos. Thank you so much.